Good morning. It's day 2 on Journey to Freedom here in the Karen Hill Villages. Today we are going to go trek with the elephants. I guess we're just going to walk with them pretty much all day until like 4 o'clock. So should be a really awesome day. It was cold last night, but it looks like it's going to start warming up. It's really pretty out right now, so it's starting to get a little bit better. You can see the sun coming over the hills.
Good job pooping. Good job pooping.
So since this morning we've been trekking with the elephants. We're basically like a mahout for the day. A mahout is someone who takes care of the elephant 24/7. And so we are just following around the elephants. It's really, really cool. We got attacked earlier, not attacked, but they got excited when we were eating lunch and because they smelled the watermelon, so they came rushing out of the forest to come find it. So you saw us feeding them that. But it's been really cool. There's one there. Made it back to our place after a long day of trekking with the elephants. We are going to go to the village in about, I don't know, 20 minutes supposedly. So just waiting to do that now. Just got a good shower in. Smell nice. We're on our way to the village now. Got some pens with me just in case I run into some kids. And we're supposed to get picked up by a truck, but no big deal. We're just gonna start walking a little bit. Hopefully it meets us on the way. It's good
To eat.
to eat.
Own it. Look.
Oh, it's sour. Sour. So we just got to play with the kids. Awesome day. Such an awesome day. We trekked with the elephants, then came back and got to go up to the village and meet all the kids. We're going to go back tomorrow, I guess, and then Friday to just be with in the school with them. It was honestly such an amazing day. And we're going to go up to dinner and then just hang out. So vlog's over.